Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 350 Five Points Road, a 7-acre country estate in Rush.
This is an amazing property with over $125,000 of updates. So let's take a tour. Greet your family and friends in this elegant 2-story foyer with a grand staircase and hardwood floors, leading to an entertainment-sized dining room with a bent bay window and crown molding, and a living room with custom built-ins and a beautiful gas fireplace, all open to the great room.
This amazing great room features a living area with a wall of windows, a dining area with porch access, and a new designer dream kitchen with custom cabinetry, high-end KitchenAid appliances, quartz countertops, and a center island with a breakfast bar. The first floor also includes a spacious mudroom with a powder room and laundry.
The upstairs features 5 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and room for expandability with a potential bonus room or guest suite. Relax in your spectacular master suite with a tray ceiling, a walk-in closet, a spa bathroom, a gas fireplace with custom built-ins, and even an enclosed porch to take in those scenic nature views.
This home features an expansive wraparound porch with maintenance-free decking, wooded and countryside views, and a hot tub, great for relaxing. This country estate is situated on 7 private acres. Plenty of room for outdoor enjoyment and even horses.
You could have it all in this country estate dream home. Nearby this property is the charming village of Rush and Honeoye Falls. This is beautiful Menin Ponds Park.
This is the largest park in Monroe County with over 2,500 acres of scenic ponds, groomed hiking trails, and pavilions for picnics. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 350 Five Points Road in Rush.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!